the green button. Oh, hi! Elmo's so glad you're here.
Me too! We're just getting ready to dress up and dance.
Yeah, and we need your help.
First, choose one of us to dress up. Let's play dress up. Choose one of us.
Let's have Abby dress up like a cowgirl. Try again. Remember, we're dressing Abby like a cowgirl. Oh, Elmo sees it. Put this on, Abby. Try again.
Yee-haw!
Howdy, Abby. Elmo wants a picture. Let's dress Abby in yellow. Try again. Remember, we're dressing up Abby only in yellow. Try again.
Totally cool!
Nice color, Abby. Get ready for your close-up.
This time, you choose. Cool!
Great choice. Elmo wants a picture.
Oh, now it's time to dance. Choose which costume I should wear.
Press these buttons to help Abby dance.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Yes! Woo! To pick a different costume for me to dance in, choose this button. To play dress up again, choose this button.